Hey there, awesome people. Ever heard of Ko-Fi? If not, you're in for a treat. It's like a virtual tip jar, but way cooler. Imagine being able to support your favorite creators with just a few clicks. Imagine a website where folks can support your amazing work directly. That's Ko-Fi. It's a platform that bridges the gap between creators and their supporters. Think of it as a direct line between you and your biggest fans. Whether you're an artist, writer, musician, or any kind of creator, Ko-Fi makes it easy for your fans to show their appreciation. They show love, you keep creating awesome stuff. It's a win-win. Your fans get to support you in a meaningful way, and you get the motivation and resources to keep doing what you love. No subscriptions, no pressure, just pure appreciation. Unlike other platforms, Ko-Fi doesn't require your supporters to commit to monthly payments. They can contribute whenever they feel like it. Ko-Fi is perfect for artists, writers, musicians, you name it. It's a versatile platform that caters to all kinds of creative endeavors. If you create cool things, Ko-Fi is your new best friend. It's a simple, effective way to connect with your audience and get the support you deserve. It's all about supporting the creators you love, so why not give it a try? Head over to Ko-Fi and start building those connections today. Your fans are waiting. So why is Ko-Fi so great for creators? Let's dive into the details and see what makes it a perfect platform for artists, writers, and all kinds of creators. First off, it's free to use. That's right, no need to worry about monthly fees or hidden costs. You can sign up without spending a dime. Yep, you heard that right. No monthly fees, no hidden costs, just pure support from your fans going straight to you. Imagine the joy of seeing those notifications pop up, knowing that your hard work is being appreciated and supported directly. Second, it's super easy to set up. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. The process is straightforward and user-friendly. We're talking a few clicks and bam, you're ready to receive love and coffee money. No complicated forms or confusing settings, just a simple, intuitive interface that gets you up and running in no time. Third, Ko-Fi gives you complete control. You have the freedom to customize your page to reflect your unique style and personality. You decide how much to ask for, what rewards to offer, and how you want to connect with your supporters. Whether it's setting up donation amounts or creating special reward tiers, the power is in your hands. It's your space to shine, show off your work, engage with your fans, and build a community that loves and supports what you do. With Ko-Fi, the possibilities are endless and the support is genuine. So why wait? Start your Ko-Fi journey today and see the difference it can make for you and your creative endeavors. Ready to dive in? Setting up your Ko-Fi page is a piece of cake. First, head over to ko-fi.com and click on Create Your Page. It's that easy. Next, choose a catchy name and upload a profile picture that screams you. Don't forget to write a short and sweet bio telling everyone what you're all about. Now customize your page with your awesome banners and colors. Make it your own little corner of the internet. Finally, set your donation amount and write a heartfelt message thanking your supporters. Section 4. Spread the word, promoting your Ko-Fi page. Alright, your Ko-Fi page is live. This is a big step and you should be proud of the work you've put in, but the journey doesn't end here. Now it's time to shout it from the rooftops, or at least on social media. Think of it as your grand opening. You want everyone to know about it. Share your link everywhere, your website, blog, Twitter, Instagram, you name it. Get creative. The more places you share, the more eyes will see it. Make fun graphics or videos announcing your Ko-Fi page. Visual content grabs attention and can make your announcement more engaging. Run contests or giveaways for those who donate. This not only incentivizes people to support you but also creates excitement around your page. The more you promote, the more people will find you. Use analytics to see what works best and adjust your strategy accordingly. Don't be afraid to remind people that they can support you. Sometimes people just need a little nudge to take action. A little nudge here and there goes a long way. Regular reminders keep your page fresh in people's minds. And always thank your supporters. They're the best. A simple thank you can go a long way in building a loyal community. Show your appreciation through personalized messages or shoutouts. Consider making a thank you video or hosting a live Quanda session to engage with your supporters directly. This personal touch can make them feel valued and more connected to your work. Keep your Ko-Fi page updated with new content and behind-the-scenes looks. This keeps your supporters engaged and excited about what's coming next. Plan a content calendar to ensure you have a steady stream of updates and promotions. Consistency is key to maintaining interest and support. Celebrate milestones and share your success stories with your supporters. This not only shows your gratitude but also highlights the impact of their support. Reflect on your journey and share your experiences. Authenticity resonates with people and can inspire them to continue supporting you. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Building a community is about two-way communication. Finally, always be on the lookout for new ways to promote your page. Collaborate with other creators, try new platforms, and keep experimenting. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities you'll create for support. Section 5. Show me the goodies, rewards for awesome supporters. Now for the fun part, rewards. Everyone loves a little something extra for their generosity. Offer exclusive content, behind-the-scenes peeks, or personalized shoutouts. Think about what your supporters would love. Early access to your work, a handwritten thank you note, a chance to chat with you one-on-one. The possibilities are endless. Remember, rewards don't have to be complicated or expensive. It's the thought that counts. Get creative and have fun with it. Your supporters will appreciate the effort. Section 6. Keep the momentum going. Tips for Ko-Fi success. Consistency is key. Don't just set up your page and forget about it. Regularly post updates, thank your supporters, and offer fresh rewards. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and show them you care. Building a community around your work is priceless. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different donation amounts, rewards, and promotional strategies. See what works best for you and your audience. Section 7. You got this, the power of Ko-Fi in your hands. And that's it. You're now a Ko-Fi pro. Remember, building a supportive community takes time and effort. Be patient, be persistent, and most importantly, have fun. Ko-Fi is an incredible tool for creators of all levels. It's a chance to connect with your audience, fund your passion, and keep creating amazing things. So go forth and Ko-Fi. The world needs your creativity.